Hi guys, welcome to my channel Tats Technology at Doorstep. Today we are going to discuss how to install Gcam in OnePlus 7 Pro model. We are already having a stock camera in the phone, but there are people who is suggesting to have a Gcam because the picture quality of Gcam is showing like an live picture, original picture, like how you see, and it is not rendering any changes to the saturation levels, or it is not changing your brightness, or not having any auto change in your actual colors and vivid contrast and brightness. Okay, so the regular camera used to, when you actually take the photo in a normal mode, not in a pro mode, I'm saying in a normal mode, then your camera is going to render in a different picture format, like it is auto correcting your picture to how it has to be. But if you want to take it in a original format, then Google Cam is the best one. So I'm going to provide you the link where you can download the Google Cam, and this is one of the build which I see is the latest one. So this is also having some configurations as well. So if you see here in the download section, you can see this Gcam 10.3.018 build. So if you see all versions, and you can see many versions here. But what I downloaded is this one. So once you click that, you can actually download your Gcam. So click on the download button, so it gets downloaded, and then go to the configs. So in the configs, you can see that there are many models like Oppo, OnePlus, Realme. I'm going to show you today is my mobile, which is OnePlus. You can actually use for other mobiles as well. This is not just for the OnePlus. If you don't like your stock camera and is it correcting more, actually if you see to Xiaomi, or if you see any mobiles like Vivo, the correction would be very huge. Like if you take your portrait, you're not taking your portrait actually. So it is like it will completely correct your face, and then it will completely show a different face to you. So in that case, I would say like it is better to have something like this, a Google camera, which gives you a raw format, like how your photo you want to take it in a raw format, and you can even edit later if you want. So download the config file. So any of the config file you can take it, any of the config file. I use this Greatness Abdul. This is something, the configuration settings, which is already predetermined by some people. You can download this. You have to download this. Okay. So once you click that, it comes as download. So I downloaded this. Once you download this, what you have to do, you go to file manager, and then go to storage, internal storage. Here you create a folder name. I already done that, that's why it's there. So create a folder, new folder, as Gcam, and again in the Gcam, again a new folder, create as, with the C caps, configs. You can see it in the picture here. So create a file folder like this, configs. In the configs, whatever you have downloaded, the configuration file, the .xml file, move it to here. So once you download it, would be in the downloads. So like you can copy this, and then you can paste it to the internal storage in the Gcam, in the config folder. Okay, so mind you, create Gcam folder and configs folder, and then you move the file to the configs folder. So once you've done that, you can go to your downloads again. Sorry, you can go to your downloads again, and then whatever the file which you had just downloaded, you can just click on that and install the camera. So once you install the camera, you are good to use. So you can see this. This is the Google camera. So this is how it looks like. So if you look, see, let me take a capture a photo here. So I'm capturing this photo. This is my Google camera and this is my normal camera. So in the same 1x, let me capture the photo. So in a close range, you might not see a big difference, but see, the colors are really vivid and bright in normal stock camera, but whereas in the Google camera, it shows what is the color it is. So it shows the natural color, and there is no vivid and it you can't see it completely I mean the minute differences will be there. We have, because especially this is indoor shoot, so I'm not getting a chance to go outside, but if I go outside I can take a picture and then I can show you better. There are some photos which I have taken, and I can see the difference as well. Okay, hope you enjoyed the video. If yes, please click on the like button, and also share to the people, and follow my page for more videos. Thank you.